I'm sure you recognize the pattern by now, so let's go create a class in services folder, and I'll call it iReviewer repository GUI. Let's change the class into interface. And the two methods we always want is to be able to retrieve all data, in this case all the reviewers, and also specific data, in this case a specific reviewer, by passing in the reviewer ID. So we need two methods, getReviewers and getReviewer by ID. And of course we need to bring in the namespace where the reviewer DTOs is, which is book API project.dtos. Next, we want to get all reviews by a specific reviewer. So we are returning a collection of review DTO objects of a reviewer that matches the ID passed into the method. So the return type is IEnumerable of review DTO, and I'll call it getReviews by reviewer. And the pattern is obviously we get in reviews, that's the IEnumerable of reviews, by reviewer, so that's gonna be the integer reviewer ID being argument. And finally, we also want to be able to find a reviewer of a specific review. So in this case, we are returning a reviewer DTO object and pass in the review ID. So reviewer DTO is the return type. I'll call it getReviewer of a review. And we pass the ID of the review. Alright, so that's the reviewer interface. Next, let's do the review interface.